Welcome. Today, we're diving into the BMAD method, a breakthrough approach that transforms how you work with AI on software projects. If you've ever felt frustrated by AI models losing track of context or mixing up roles, you're not alone. BMAD method introduces a structured, repeatable, and team-friendly way to manage AI personas, making your projects more organized and efficient. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a larger team, this method can help you harness AI as if you had a full project team at your fingertips. Let's explore how BMAD method takes you from zero to hero in AI-driven development. When you interact with a typical AI model, it's like talking to a very smart person who forgets things as soon as the conversation gets too long. You might ask the AI to act as a project manager, then later as a developer. But the AI can easily lose track of the context or mix up the roles. This lack of consistency can lead to confusion and inefficiency, especially in complex projects. The BMAD method was created to solve this exact problem by giving each AI persona a clear, persistent role and a defined way of working. The BMAD method is a framework for working with AI that introduces a clear structure of roles or personas, such as analyst, architect, developer, QA, and project manager. Each persona comes with its own set of instructions and behaviors, loaded once so the AI knows exactly how to act in that role. This means you don't have to repeat instructions every time you switch roles. Think of it as having a virtual project team inside your AI, where each member stays consistent and ready to help whenever you need them. With BMAD, you load a persona file just once, and the AI instantly understands how to behave in that role. Each persona, whether it's an analyst, developer, or project manager, has a unique configuration that defines its responsibilities and working style. This setup allows you to switch between roles seamlessly, just like changing tools in your development environment. The result? Consistent, reliable AI support tailored to each aspect of your project. Let's look at the team bundle structure. In your project directory, you'll find files like teamfullstack.txt. This file acts as a master blueprint, listing all available AI personas, their roles, and when to use each one. It also includes workflow definitions and resource management instructions. By organizing everything in one place, BMAD method ensures your AI team is always ready and knows exactly what to do for any given task. The agent configuration section is where each AI persona is defined. Here, you'll find roles like analyst, project manager, UX expert, architect, and product owner, along with a BMAD orchestrator. Each agent has a specific title and a description of when to use them. This clarity helps users select the right persona for each task, ensuring the AI delivers specialized expertise exactly when it's needed. In the Workflows section, you'll find predefined project methodologies for both new, greenfield, and existing, brownfield projects. Each workflow is a YAML file containing a step-by-step roadmap tailored to the project type. This structure makes it easy for your AI team to follow best practices and ensures nothing gets missed, from project kickoff to delivery. BMAD method organizes resources using a start and end tag format, with file paths pointing to specific agent or orchestrator files. This allows the AI to dynamically load only the resources needed for a particular task, keeping the system efficient and focused. It's like having a smart knowledge base that brings up the right checklist, template, or document exactly when you need it. The teamfullstack.txt file serves as the master blueprint for your AI team. It outlines every persona, their capabilities, and the workflows they can execute. By copying this file into an AI platform like Gemini, you instantly unlock a full software development team, ready to switch roles and tackle any challenge. This approach streamlines project management and boosts productivity. BMAD method integrates seamlessly with popular IDEs like VS Code, Visual Studio, JetBrains, and NeoVim. When installed with GitHub Copilot support, it automatically generates chat mode files for each agent. These files let you pick a role directly from your IDE's sidebar, making it easy to switch between analyst, architect, developer, QA, and more. You can even run multiple agents in parallel, just like a real Agile team. Each chat mode file contains a front matter section with a description and available tools, followed by the complete agent definition. This structure ensures that when you select a persona in your IDE, the AI instantly adopts the correct behavior and tools for that role. It's a visual and intuitive way to manage your AI team, making development smoother and more efficient. BMAD Method isn't limited to just one development environment. It supports GitHub Copilot, Cursor AI, Claude divided by ChatGPT web interfaces, Windsurf, and more. Each integration offers tailored features like native chat interfaces, persona switching, advanced code completion, and visual agent selection. No matter your preferred editor, BMAD Method adapts to fit your workflow. There are two main ways to use BMAD Method: the Web Bundle approach and native IDE integration. The Web Bundle is designed for web-based AI interfaces like Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini, allowing you to load your entire team with a simple copy-paste. Native IDE integration, on the other hand, offers direct persona management within your development environment for a seamless, context-aware experience. By using the BMAD method, you transform AI from a simple chatbot into a complete software development team. This brings structure, consistency, and deep expertise to your projects, no matter which development environment you choose. The result is a smarter, more reliable, and more productive way to collaborate with AI on complex tasks. To sum up, the BMAD method offers a revolutionary way to organize, manage, and collaborate with AI on software projects. By defining clear roles, workflows, and resource management strategies, it empowers you to build smarter, more efficient teams, whether you're working solo or with others. With BMAD, you truly go from zero to hero in AI-driven development. Ready to try it out and transform your workflow?